Hello everybody, this is Jeff at Etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at this Curt T-connector vehicle wiring harness with this 4-way flat trailer connector. Now this is a custom fit part. It is designed to fit the 2019 and newer Chevrolet Trax vehicles. And on a custom fit part like this, I always like to recommend for you to go to our website, use the fit guide, put in your year and model vehicle, and it'll show if this will work for your application. Now this harness will provide this 4-way flat trailer connector at the back of your vehicle to power your trailer's signal lights. It is compatible with 5-pole, 6-pole, and 7-pole adapters that we do sell separately. And this does connect very quickly and easily. Basically, you just locate your connection points, which are in the rear cargo area, plug in these T connectors, one on each side, one on the driver's side, one on the passenger side, and then ground your white wire here, and then run this power wire to your vehicle's battery. Now this does include this black box here, which is a tail light converter, and this is to ensure that your vehicle's wiring will match that of your trailer. It is a powered module, so it does connect directly to the battery to avoid overloading your vehicle's electrical system. This converter is constructed using SMT technology, which is surface mount technology. Gives you more consistent, reliable performance. It will help maximize your trailer light yield and intensity while producing minimal heat, and it ensures superior operation in rough road condition. Now this does come with everything shown here on the table. I'm going to go through the steps here on how this all installs. It does come with this nice dust cover you can see that you can just attach it to the 4-way plug, and you can leave it on there if you want, and then when you're not plugged into a trailer you can just put this cover on there, and that'll protect those terminals from any damage or from the elements. Few specs on this harness. The maximum amperage for the stop and turn light circuits is 5.5 amps per circuit. For the tail light circuit is 7.5 amps per circuit. So basically what you'll do is, as we mentioned, go to the rear cargo area. Now it does come with a nice set of instructions that will describe where all these connections are and how they're made. But basically in the rear cargo area you'll go behind the access panels, and you'll be able to see on the driver's side, this is the one with the yellow and red wire, there'll be connectors that you'll pull apart, and then these will tee into it. And you'll do the same with this connector. It has a length of wire. It's the red and green. That's for the passenger side. Run this over to the passenger side, and behind the access panel, again, you'll pull the connectors apart, plug this in or tee this into it. Once those are all connected, this black box here, this converter box, you do want to attach this to a flat surface so it doesn't bounce around. So you can use a screw here's a little tab here. You put a screw in there to attach it down. They do include this double-face tape you can use to attach it down. It has this large cable tie that you can wrap it around. But either way, you want to secure this so it doesn't bounce around. And then you run this bonded wire with the 4-way out the back towards the trailer. And the remaining connections will be these 2 wires. The white one with the eyelet on it, that's for your ground. So you can connect this to a nearby ground, a good clean ground. If there's not one nearby, they give you a screw that you can make your own ground. And then the power wire, that would need to run to the front of the vehicle, attached to your vehicle's battery. They do give you the length of wire to do that and the connectors. So what you want to do is take your power wire, take a butt connector, put it on one end, connect it to one end of this wire, and then run your length of wire up to the front. They do give you some extra cable ties to take up any slack in that wiring. Once you get it to the front, you don't want to run this directly to the battery. You want to run it through this inline fuse holder. So you take your other butt connector, connect it to one side just like that, and then once that's connected, take the Eyelet connector that they include, put that on this side, and this is what will connect to your vehicle's battery. Once it's all connected, all you have to do is pop open the holder, take your included 15 amp fuse, push it in, it's all installed, pop your cap on, and your system's all ready to go. But that should do it for the review on this Curt T-connector vehicle wiring harness with the 4-way flat trailer connector.